Hello students, welcome to your maths class. In the last class, we have discussed about the prime numbers, composite number, even number and odd numbers, right? So based on that one, 3.2 exercise is there, okay? So today we are going to solve 3.2 exercise, okay? Exercise number 3.2. So, what is first question here? What is the sum of any two A odd numbers B even numbers? That means what? What is the sum of any two odd numbers and what is the sum of any two even numbers? In last class only, last concept I have explained this one. What happens when we add two even numbers? What happens when we add two odd numbers? What happens when we add one even number and one odd number, right? So based on that concept it is there. So after that also I will explain here also. I'll take example here. See students, A, we have to add sum of any two odd numbers. Any two odd number will take here 3 plus 5. These are two odd numbers, right? These are two odd numbers. Okay, sum is adding. Okay, when we add this one, we are getting 8 as an answer. We'll take another one. 11 plus 13. 11 plus 13 how much? 24, right? So when we add two odd numbers, we will get answer as a even number. Even number, right? When we add, or what is the sum of any two odd numbers means answer is even number. We are getting answer is a even number. If we add odd numbers, two odd numbers, you will get even number as a answer, right? So this is what answer, even number. When what is the sum of any two odd numbers means even number. Okay, what is the next question? What is the sum of any two even numbers? Okay, now we will take even number. 8 plus 10. Two even numbers are there. Answer is 18. We'll take another one. Example 6 plus 8. Answer is 14. See students, if we add any two even numbers also, what we are getting here? We are getting here answer as a even number only. Even number only. Right? So, what it concludes, if we add any two odd numbers also, the result is even number only. If we add any two even numbers also, then also the result is even number only. Okay, I hope you people are understood first question. Okay, so second question students, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, true or false. Okay, we have to check if the given statement is true or false. We'll read first one. The sum of three odd number is even. They are telling, okay, they are given on statement, that is the sum of three odd number is even. Okay, so instead of directly going answer, we'll check once, right? Sum of three odd numbers they are telling, we'll take three odd numbers and we add 3 plus 5 plus 7. All are odd numbers. Sum of three odd number, three numbers adding. Okay, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, what? 15. Right? 8 plus 5, 15. We'll take another one also. 7, 3 and we'll take 9. Okay, we'll take 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Right? So what I am getting here, if I add all three odd numbers, I am getting odd number as an answer. I am getting odd number as a answer. But what they told here, the sum of three odd number is even, they have told, right? That's why they have told false one, right? So first one is what? First one is false. Answer is false. Answer is what? False. Because if I add any three odd number, I will get answer as a odd number only. I will not get even number as a answer. That's why the given statement is false. Okay, we'll go next question. The sum of two odd number and one even number is even. The statement is what? The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even number. Okay, so when I add two odd number and one even number, they are telling that the answer whatever I will get, it is a even number only. We'll check, students. First two odd numbers 3 plus 5 and one even number. I will take 2 only. So what I am getting here, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. I will take another one, 5 plus 7, and I will take even number as a 4. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 4 16. See, students, I am getting answer as even number only. So the given statement is true, students. Right now we checked also. See here, they told that you have to take two odd numbers, sum of two odd number and one even number. Here I have took two odd number and one even number. I am getting answer as a even number only. So the given statement is then true, it is, right? So the given statement is true, right? So we'll go for next one now. Okay, we'll go for next one. Third one, the product of three odd number is odd. The product of three odd number is odd. Okay, so we'll check product of three odd numbers. We have to take 3. Product means multiplication. 3 plus 5, 3 into 5 into 7. So all are odd numbers and product. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 7 is remaining. 15 7s are 105. 15 7s are 105. Right, we got odd number as an answer. We'll take another one. Okay, we'll take another one. 1 is also odd number, right? 1 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 1 into 3, 3. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is also odd number. So whatever they have given statement, it is true. It is true because when we multiply three odd numbers, the answer whichever we are getting, it is odd. Okay, so we'll go for fourth question now. What is that fourth question? See, students, if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always always odd. So first we will understand what is quotient here. If one number is there, if an even number, so we will take any even number. Okay, even number will take 6 here and it is divided by 2 and we have to divide it by 2, right? So we'll divide it. 2 3 is a 6, right? 0. So what is this one? So this is quotient, student. I'll directly go for quotient. This is quotient. Okay, this one is remainder. Okay, this one is remainder, right? So what they are telling now, if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd, they are telling. So when we divide 6 by 2, 6 is also even number. So our answer quotient is, we are getting 3 only. We'll check another one. We'll take 24, okay, and divide it by 2. 2 12s are 24. So see here, student, quotient. This is not odd here. This is not odd. So it may come even also and it may come odd also, right? Here it came odd quotient. Here it came what? Even quotient. So the given statement is false because we are getting here even number also. Here we are getting odd number also. Both will come. Okay, it's not that always it will come odd only. Okay, it may come what? Even number also. right? So we'll move now for next question, fifth one. Fifth one now. All prime numbers are odd. Do you think all prime numbers are odd? See, we'll check. 2 is there, no? 2 is a even number. So, given statement is false because one prime number is there. It is a even prime number. 2 is a even prime number. So what they told here, they have given statement all prime number are odd. No, all prime number are not odd. 2 is a prime even prime number here. So what they have given statement, it is a false. Now we'll go for next one. Prime numbers do not have any factors. Prime numbers do not have any factor. We'll check, students. We'll go for one prime number. We will take 7 is a prime number, and how to check factors, you know. That means what? This number will come in which tables? You know, as 1 is a factor for all numbers, right? So, and 7 is also factor for 7 table, right? Now 1 and the number itself is a factor for every number. Okay, this we have learned in our last class. What characteristics of factor? So see here, prime numbers do not have any factor, they told, but we are getting here 2 factor. We'll go for another prime numbers, 11. So 1 and 11 are factors for the 11 number, right? No, 11 is a prime number, but we are getting 2 numbers. Two numbers as a factors. So what they have given, it is a false. It is a false because every prime number have 2 factors for them, 1 and itself. Okay, so I hope you people are understood. 6th question also. Go for 7th question now. Sum of 2 prime number is always even. Sum of 2 prime number is always even. So we'll take 2 prime numbers here and we'll add them. 2 plus 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay, when we add this one, we are getting 5. 5 is a odd number, right? 5 is a odd number. We'll go for another one. 7 plus 5. 7 is also prime number. 5 is also prime number. Answer is 12. We are getting even number. So what they told, always even. No, sometimes we can get odd number also. So that's why given statement is false, because it is not always even. We may get odd number also as an answer when we add 2 prime numbers. Okay, so I hope you people are understood. Next one. 2 is only the even prime number. Yes, right? No, because the only prime number which is even, that is 2. Okay, so the given statement is true because the only even prime number is, that is true. 9th one. All even number are composite numbers. All even numbers are composite number. Check, students. All, they are telling that all even numbers. All even means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? And 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, etc. Okay. So these all are even numbers, right? But here 2 is not even a composite number. This is prime number, students. This is prime number. It's not a composite number. See what they all even numbers are composite numbers, they are telling, right? No. So all even numbers are not composite number because 2 is there. 2 is also even number, but it is not a composite number. It is a prime number. That's why the given statement is false. That's why the given statement is false, because 2 is even number, but it is not a composite number. It is a prime number. I hope you people are understood why it is false. We'll go for 10th one. The product of any two even number is always even. The product of any two even number will 2 into 4. What we will get? 2 4s are 8. And we'll go for 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24. We will go for another example. 2 into 8, 16. Right? If you go for 6 into 8, 48 answer. So, the product of any two even number is always even. Yes. Right? No? True. So, the given statement is true because if we multiply any two even number, the answer which we are getting, okay, it is even number only. Right? So, till today in this class, we'll finish here. Okay. So, two questions we have discussed. First question and second question. Second question is true or false, and we have discussed the reason why they are true and why they are false also. Right? So, I hope you people are understood today's class. Okay. So, please note down this one, all the questions as well as answers. Okay, and understood the concept, why they are even, why they are true, why they are false, what is prime number. Okay, and remaining things also. I hope you people are got textbooks also. If you want, you can copy questions from textbook also, or you can copy from here also. Okay, while watching that videos only, you take screenshots, and after watching the videos you can write down the question and answers. Okay, so I hope you people got this also. Thank you students, take care, bye.